Komenda Polep na mwenda Rakab. Kikundi cha kwanza kiongozi watatu
Uganda eri kujaguza ekiro kya tarehe 6 eky'omurundi gwa 45 emikoreegi yabo mu disitulikiti ya Kabale aho omugenyi mukuru yaba ari Pulezidenti Yoweri Museveni. Ebi ni bice byoine kumanya aha kiro eki ebiro 6 by'okwezi kwa 2021 nibwo abantu baca babire bebembigwe Yoweri Kaguta Museveni batandike hururu yo kurwanisa gavumenti yabiririho ubwanyuma yo kutikirizingana n'ibya rugero mu karura ka 2019 akasinjigwe Milton Obote obu yasingira buyabira yisimbire nabo bari mu Pulezidenti Museveni.
UPC has got 145. UPC of Kumana Mbutano. DP has got 4,000.
Izoba niryo rimwe nibwo batandike hururu yo kuhamba Kabamba Military Barracks ubwo bari kweyeta People's Resistance Army aho bamazire bakeyeta National Resistance Army. Ni kigambwa kugira ngo abagwana babiri bari rwagati ya 21 na 23 nibo babasize kutahirira barracks ya Kabamba nabo barabe 27 bo babiri bine mbundu umukutandika. Izoba niryo rumwe ebiro 6 byo kwezo kwa 2021 obo mugenzi General Eri Tumwine yatirisa siryo kubanza mu kota guards za Kabamba Barracks aho President Museveni yagizira ngo akaritera abwo bwoba no burirabe ryaba yambere kubone birwaniso.
But unfortunately one of us fired a bullet prematurely and one Tanzanian corporal went underground in the armory because the armory is underground. The armory at Kabamba was underground. He went in the armory and it was difficult to get him out. But nevertheless, we captured the barracks, the whole barracks.
Fast forward after 79, we regrouped in Kabamba. That story you know. Fronasa reorganized in Kabamba, Chikosi Marumu reorganized in Mubende. And a lot of things were happening. And then we went to Monduli, the 317 intake long, famous course. Now, when we were being recruited to go to Kabamba, there was disagreements between the Uganda Army generals and the TPDF generals, the Tanzanian generals. I remember
Banyuma yo kuhamba Kabamba Barracks bakakwata ndijo myanya eyabiriri mu Karuwero Triangle eyibaye Serethe of the Bush omukarima kace. Ebiro bitano byo kwezo kwa kana omwaka gwa 2021 bakija batahirira kaciri naho bayizire bakakwata Greater Masaka Region. 2019 abaserukare ba National Resistance Army bakatamana minji omuri Masindi naho ima aho bayizire bakatunga ebigwaniso nyamwinji. Ebira 21 byo kwezo kwa mukaga 2025 bakija bazo mu mwanya gwa Kembogo aho baririre kava bakakwata abaserukare binji aba government yabiririho mu bwiro ubwo. Kuruge birabiri na bino kwezo kwa mwenda ukise biri 10 byo kwezo ku 12 2025 bakakwata kibuga ekya Masaka. Ibirabiri na mukaga byo kukubanza 2026 amahega National Resistance Army gebembigwe President Museveni bakakwata kibuga kya Kampala bari kwiyaho butegeki bw'amahe obwabire bwebembigwe Tito Okello Lutwa.
We took control of the whole barracks. And all the Tanzanians who were there and the Ugandans ran away. But we did not get to the main target, which were the guns underground. We however managed to get vehicles from the empty yard, as well as some other guns from the houses of the officers and of the soldiers. And we left Kabamba by a fleet of vehicles through Chenjojo, through Bugangezi and Buyaga up to Kiboga, thereby establishing our first base in the war of liberation against the regime of Obote.
bamwe ahabebembezo mu district ya Ntungamo nibasima ubuhereza bwa President Museveni umufutereza amahe hamwe n'ibyo kwerinda.
Ngenda kwa manyisa ngo nakoro na kuguru munonga ibaga yuti ya Uganda abo kwa rugoro nako wahindwire Uganda ya shariremo ikagera ngo ito muntu turihire narabutegeye cyo burundi usinyapatira ubutegeye cyo bibi ubutegeye cyo butabonire mbweno muri ngo gona obatwi no muhoro obatwi n'inkoni obatwi obatineki bityo tukashabarahanga tukazomukishaka tukarebeka ngo abanyarwanda bitu abantu bitu Uganda yaba Uganda kandi Uganda yarugomye ko yaba yayi
sima obyo kwerinda turahare Uganda kandi cyo kureba Uganda twino businje kukizayo abo kubyo kwerinda bije manyo bwakare omuntu kubabe barebo vire uniform umuntu apapa abo ko obokwe wabira ryo mu bijwaro by'uko yaba kurinda obusinje akaba most of the time obwiro bwije akaba ari terrorist akaterrorizing abantu konka hati Uganda tuyine okwerinda kuhango kandi okwerinda okompa tukujya ngo nobujya ngo tuyina amahemenji konka omuntu wana
ubwo yaba yuni mbedaka yari kubaka ahabo kuba ngo bwire obwenyima obumunya Uganda yabatakwa bakumunya Uganda obumuntu wa burijo yabena twago kumuhije obumuntu wa burijo yabera tine businji obumuntu wa burijo yabera takwe atakushemerwa mu munsi. President Museveni yastama na timu yeye yagira tuno yiguye kwicaza abanyarwanda ise yinzarirwemo mu batashemererwe umuyanga yabo
inchi ubwo muntu wa burijo nawe niho okwerinda kufutandike abo ko abanyarwanda bine ekibeta stake ninga bine obwananyini ekyo kigambo cyo Rwanda obwananyini omuri Uganda yabejipa
aha bwa Modern Television Gashakwa Wilson Kanyes J.